Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Cory back with another Legacy Builder update. I want to take you over to the community, see what's going on inside of the community, see all the wins with this program and how this program is helping so many people make daily pay by implementing the skills and the e-learning on the back end of the Legacy Builder program. Not only that is you're getting mentorship for 4 days out of the week by a millionaire who's giving up all her sauce, giving you tons of jewels and nuggets to help you have a successful online business. If not start one, but run the one that you actually currently working right now. So I want to go over into our school community and just give you a little feel of some of the wins inside the community and how this program is helping other people create daily pay. We got Marie 12 hours ago, 72 hours. Within 72 hours of launching, I made $1,800. Yes, follow the system. The system works. We got, I don't want to butcher her name, Donaway. So we're just going to say Miss Donaway. First one, got my first $900 sale. Congrats. All by implementing the skills and the training in the back office of this program. Look, we got Grady Berry. Wake up to $1,800 made. When I woke up, I already had 2 sales come in from using the automations before 7 a.m. Best way to wake up in the morning. So they teach you how to automate this business so it's running for 24/7 for you behind the background. So you're not fussing and fighting with friends and family. That this system is actually doing all the prospecting and upkeeping, selling and telling for you. They teach you how to implement it. They teach you how to put it together. Within two hours, you can have this system up and running. Give a big congrats to Tony Hobbs 8 minutes ago. $900 after my live this morning. That's 9,100 for the month of May. I'm still shaking. The most I've ever made online in the month before is this community was around 500. That is when come on. That is when Michelle said she was going to show us how to make 10K a month in March, and we're having a 10K run in this month of March. March is a few days almost over, and he's almost there. Congratulations to you, Tony Hobbs. Big ups to my man James Famba, $300 ding at 2 a.m. this morning. The internet really never sleeps. Whenever you feel inspired to complete your 3 pieces of content, go for it. After earning the commission, I made quick proof video at 2:15. All you need is the will to continue. This program is helping so many others get done and get where they want to be in life, with whether it's spending more time with their kids, whether it's buying a new home, whether it's paying off debt. This program is helping so many in so many different ways. $1,200 in 4 days, Wisley said. I'm crying. I had to put my dog down a few weeks ago. Oh, so sorry. That's so sad. And the vet bill was insane. When I went to return to work after only missing half a shift, I got a text from my, oh man. So they let her go from not being there, but she got paid for utilizing and putting this system and work for her before it got to that point. So if you want to know more about what this program is and what it has to offer, you want to go over to the link in my bio, put your email address in. You're going to get a thank you video from my mentor, Michelle. She's going to give you all the overview of what this business is and how you can get started. And for those who don't have the affordability to get started right now, but you want to get started with the online business, I do offer payment plans with Afterpay and Klarna. So within the website, you'll come down to this page right here, and you'll click here. And once you click on there, it's going to take you over to the Stripe checkout. Once it's all loaded up, so you have payment method here: card, Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, or Afterpay. To be able to break those payments down, so if you hit Affirm, it's 4 interest-free payments of $225. If you go with Affirm, 18-month payments of $56. So $56, you can get started with this. And Afterpay is giving you 12 months payment started with $77. So it's up to you. You can get started at a lower price, and just once you make your first sale, pay that off and upgrade and be in the mix with everybody else. So I hope to see you on the other side. That's my segment, and I'll get with you guys later.